I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Massive move to the upside since March the 13th. We've been trending higher. This is a rising wedge. There is a 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. Now, you're also at overhead resistance, which is the range high. Potentially, you had a bull trap similar to here. There's a ton of pullback ideas. 68% chance says that this thing pulls back. If it breaks out and retests, you would open longs based on that idea. Right? So you're right at the ceiling. You're right at the ceiling. High chance of a pullback. The times when this does break higher, double bottoms, you get parabolic moves higher. So it's an if-then statement. If you're not stacked up and loaded in a bunch of altcoins and in Bitcoin right now, it's hard to say, hey, buy Bitcoin right now. Buy altcoins. But short-term trading, you could get some chop sideways, chop for the weekend, give some good trading this weekend. These small caps on Kucoin have been banging. If you do get that breakout to the upside, you want to load up on altcoins. Everything's different. 45,000 breaks, you're looking for $51,000 Bitcoin. Banging. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he's averaging about $1,000 a day in the trading group. He said that's $365,000 a year, life-changing money. Again, this person is making a ton of smaller trades, but it adds up. And a lot of people in the group, they are in smaller countries where $300, $200, $70, $500. These seem like small amounts, but when you're doing this day in and day out, banging, life-changing money, period. This person, I make $400 a day on Kucoin with your gem picks. Obviously, he doesn't live in the United States because he's talking about buying a big home for his parents. $400 a day, a sizable amount, $12,000 a month, making just trading, scalp trading these setups. Like, it's pretty amazing. Life-changing money, period. This person, I said, how much should you make? He said, I've been in the group the last 20 days. I started with $100 just watching YouTube videos. I turned it into $1,000. It's 10x just watching YouTube. Then he paid for the private group. Now he has $3,500 since he joined the group. In 3 weeks, he 35x'd his money. It's so, listen, if you have a small bag, you want to be on Kucoin. There's a gem pick link in the description for the VIPs on Kucoin. Make an account today. That's the easiest way to make a ton of money with a small bag in this market, period. We're not making a ton of money right now in this market. I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Nailing so many bangers constantly. I've got quite a few I'm going to go over in just a second, but tons and tons and tons of green profit gainers. This week, last week, check this out. So I posted this on Twitter. Make sure, follow me on Twitter. I can post setups immediately. The best setups happen at the last minute. Fear was posted. You want to be financially free? I talked about all the news coming with fear, and it sat here. I posted this at 12:42 p.m. 5 hours later, 46% profits on fear. If you're following me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris, home of the bangers. Total 2, what did we say? Altcoins will run if this thing breaks higher, and it has. Now, if you do get a pullback, you want to stack up altcoins on this pullback. If altcoins, I mean, you have this double bottom reversal pattern, like there's 35% potential gains based on this idea. And across all the altcoins, the smaller caps are going to do 2-3x. Watch. This is DYP. You guys remember this? You should. I gave it to you yesterday. I said you got the retest of support. There's a ton of news stacked here. 47% profits out of DYP. I've got a gem pick banger coming at the end of the video. This is Mnet. I gave it to you on the 17th, 8 days ago. This thing looked amazing. Mnet today up 192% max profit since I gave it to you. Sitting in stale large caps, you're doing it all wrong. Right now, this is micro cap, small cap, mini cap season on Kucoin. That's home of the bangers. A gem pick on Kucoin for you. Man, Matrix AI. This thing, number one, you've got a bull pennant forming down here. Just broke out, now retesting bull pennants. This thing, I mean, you could see 30, 40, 50% gains out of man USDT on Kucoin. They have a ton of news. NFT asset transfer happening end of the month. Got agency promotion mechanism happening end of the month. Everything is stacked in the next couple days. NFT generation, authentication as well, and Air T free trade market happening. They have a ton of news stacked at the end of the month, and you've got an amazing breakout and now retest. Look at this up here. See how see how the VPVR over here is really solid. That means it's a high volume node. Well, it's tough to get above there, but once you do, you got all this low volume node free running after that. So looking for this bullish pullback, which is happening, and then I'm looking for explosive move higher. Again, 30% gains or more is possible. Banging. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.